Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by doing the fastest fixes first because they resolve most issues. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This clears radio states. Next, restart your phone and power cycle the router, waiting 10 to 30 seconds to clear caches. Once done, turn Wi-Fi off and on and make sure you select the correct SSID and enter the right password. If prompted, accept the network certificate. These steps remove transient glitches, so you can move to deeper fixes. Once the basics are out of the way, you troubleshoot settings that often cause connection failures. Forget the problematic network and reconnect. This clears bad saved credentials. Then open Wi-Fi advanced settings and check IP assignment. Switch to DHCP if it was set to static, because incorrect IP or gateway blocks access. While here, review the IP, gateway, and DNS entries. Incorrect DNS causes load failures. If values change after reconnecting, that signals router. To finish, perform targeted resets and tests that eliminate residual problems. Reset network settings in Android. This restores Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network configurations without deleting personal files. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if an app is disrupting Wi-Fi. Uninstall recent apps if connectivity returns. As a final step, test another device on the same network to isolate phone versus router issues. If other devices fail, contact your ISP or reboot the router. Otherwise, consider a factory reset as last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.